welcome back to Samantha's Crazy Channel, and today we're smushing Daddy!
Okay, what do we got? We got a Kiwi Company,
Tickle tag!
another Tinker Crate.
Yes!
This one's gonna be cool. This is a
It's a mechanical bird.
mechanical bird.
Let's open it up, what are we waiting
Let's
on?
open this up. I'm
Okay,
excited.
you got
for
the
it.
directions. What?
Once again, this is the book that
Whoa.
tells you about
Look at what it's gonna look like, guys!
flight. This says flapping crane.
Oh!
Can you say flapping crane 5 times fast?
Flapping crane, flapping crane, flapping crane.
Flapping flame.
Look at how much
This is cool.
stuff there is.
Let's get it out. We got some gears. Cool. Oh, don't want to lose any pieces. Let's get everything.
Yep.
Look how cool that looks. Let's get all these, open all these up.
I am.
Alright.
Simple.
Look at these wings, guys. This is crazy.
You want a snack?
No thanks. Alright, there.
Okay, so this is all the stuff. We have some little knickknacks in here. We got
The directions, and
foam
let's
stickers,
get started.
more foam, all this wood, more stickers, gears, this, birds, wings, whatever that is.
Okay, so again, the directions.
Oh, this is gonna take forever.
Steps A, B, and C.
Forever.
No, this will be quick. And as an old person, I'm gonna need my glasses here so I can see things.
Cause you're old.
First one is build the wings, which you'll need. The left wing, the right wing.
That's those.
Let's move some of this out here.
Move it.
These wings.
Okay.
The brace pieces.
We need sticky
The
foam.
arm pieces.
I need the sticky foam.
Rounded sticky foam.
Give me the sticky foams.
The trapezoid. We need
Trapezoidian.
this. We need some of these.
I have the trapezoidians.
The dowels and the linkage rods.
Okay, the linkage drives.
Linkage rods.
Oh, I thought you said
Okay.
linkage drives.
Step
Okay.
1, lay
We
out
put the foam pieces where it says foam pieces.
2 rounded sticky foam pieces here and here.
What? Ooh, I can do that.
We need to
Sticky foam.
take the sticky piece off of that. And these things, this is the wing brace. Look, it'll line up.
Sticky foam.
It's gonna go right here and line up. Okay? Got it?
So I need to take
One on
this
each
off.
side.
Grab this trapezoid sticky foam for that wing. One for the other wing. Alright, peel that piece of paper off. We're just matching the trapezoids here, people.
We need
We have 2 of these sticky foam pieces here and here. I'm gonna put 2 more on the top.
something.
2 more on the
These little
top.
circles are hard to punch out.
Then we gotta fold it up.
That's 3 crease.
So then we fold the wing
flappy.
up like this too. Okay, then we need to get these guys here.
Get these guys.
This
Ooh,
is a
popsicle sticks,
linkage
but-
rod.
A linkage rod.
We need to open this guy up. How come this wasn't opened up at the beginning of the video?
Because I didn't want those little
Why?
dowels flying
Why? Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Stop touching me. She's touching me. Stop. Pay attention to what you're doing. So we have, this is gonna go in here. The dowels are gonna go right through there and hold it in place, okay?
Okay. I don't know what I'm doing.
So here we go, we have a wing. Oh, look at that. You move this lever and it flaps.
You're so
Step 1 is done, our wings are finished. They both kind of flap a little bit,
kind of.
right? They both kind of flap.
Kinda.
And we're on step number
Flip it up.
B. Step
Step
number B.
Step number B.
Number B.
Number B.
Number B tuna. And this one looks tough, man. Holy cow, this one looks gonna be putting all the gears. This is building the stand. Okay. So we need
I was count rubber band.
the stand here. We need the medium gear,
The schmedium.
which is one of
They're
those.
both schmedium.
Those are the same? Okay.
Schmedium.
We need a small gear.
I
We
got
need
tiny gear.
the large rubber rings and the bolt. Okay, here. Come on.
In the bolt.
So, one's the front, one's the back. How did you tell? Don't know. So, this one is going to go through here.
Mm-hmm.
Put the small gear on top.
Mm-hmm.
Put the 2 O-rings on there.
Both of them?
2 O-rings, that's right.
These look like SpaghettiOs.
And I'll put that in there.
Sort of. Not exactly.
You gotta
SpaghettiOs
see
are
what she's
black.
doing here.
I'm screwing in a screw if you can't tell. Not exactly a screw because it's made out of plastic.
It's a bolt. That's good.
It's a
Doesn't have to be
thing.
super tight.
Wait.
Does it move?
No.
Yes. It spins. It's supposed to spin on both sides. Okay.
But it doesn't.
Then it says we need another medium gear here.
Medium gear.
The posts
Okay.
have to be close to each other.
Yes,
See how close these
that's right.
posts are?
Yes.
Or, yeah, there we go.
So how do we secure it on here?
Same thing. We're gonna put the large gear on there.
Ooh! We don't have any more O-rings.
We're gonna do a foam spacer.
Ooh.
Put that one on there.
Well, it's not sticky.
That's okay. And then this will go down on top of that.
Yeah.
It'll just pop in there, and then the bolt will keep it in place. Got it?
Yes.
We need 2 sticky foam donuts.
Do you want donuts? These are the donuts.
Those are the donuts.
2 of them.
Let's check this out.
Ooh.
This looks cool, man.
They're thumb handcuffs. Give me your thumbs.
Okay,
Actually, give me your pinkies.
2 donuts here.
Give me your pinkies.
One here, one here.
Give me your pinkies. That's not your pinky. Give me your other pinky. You're in pinky jail.
They're really hard to break.
Let me try it.
Well, you're using your thumbs. You gotta use your pinkies. I started it for you. Okay, let's get this done. The donuts are here and here.
I can't get the middle out.
So here's what we
This is
got
what we have
so
so
far.
far.
Check it out.
That's the back. And we
Very
have
cool.
this wing, and we also have a second one of these.
We need to put some more stuff on here though. Here,
Flaps.
put this onto the top slot there.
Yes. Like that.
Yes, just like that. All right, cool.
Perfecto.
Next, we need a rubber band.
A rubber band. You can't
That
even
one
call it a
onto
rubber
this
band.
onto this big piece
Okay,
here.
move.
Onto this big piece. Got it?
No.
It just needs to go onto the knob. That's what they call it.
Onto
There
the
you go.
knob.
Yep. Not behind it, on it.
Well, it's like slipping to under there.
Step number C.
Step number C, baby. Oh, that rhymed. Step
You'll
number
need the
C,
long
baby.
dowel. It's gonna go through these holes.
Okay.
The dowel will
Got
go
that.
through there, and then the bottom post goes onto the gear post here.
Huh?
This gear post that we had them line up
Yeah.
goes onto there. Put it on there, and then put the black O-ring on there to secure it in place.
The spaghetti O-ring.
Yep. And then slide the bird body into the top slot of the stand facing forward, just like that. And that's it. Turn the knob counterclockwise and watch your bird flap. The knob. This one. So this is the mechanical bird, huh?
Okay, so before I try it, I have to do something very important. Okay, now I shall try it.
That is the mechanical bird.
It's like, okay, so we got the wings and the bird face. And behind here, there's these things.
And that's the knob that you turn.
Yep.
Okay.
So you turn it.
So what do you think? Pretty cool?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome. I like that. That is awesome. So, all right. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, right?
Yeah.
Kiwi Co. They make some pretty good stuff. And
I
make
kind
sure you
of put this donut
subscribe.
on the tail.
Thanks for watching.
Like,
And we'll see you
here.
next time.
On Samantha's Crazy Channel.
Bye.
Bye.